What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Jeep Smart Key remote fob. This Jeep key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to do this is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. We can just set that to the side for now. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold the fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom, we see this slot here that the emergency key just slid out of. And then below that, we see kind of another little notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my flathead screwdriver in that notch, and then I'm just going to twist it like this, like I'm opening a lock with a key. So put the screwdriver in that notch, make sure it's all the way in there as far as you can. It doesn't go in there very far, but make sure you have it as far in there as you can, and then twist. As you do that, it pops the shell apart a little bit. We can go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart. Then if we look in the back half of the shell, we see our battery right here. What I'm going to do is grab my screwdriver and just use it to help me get under the edge of the battery, like that. And we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down on the case. Plus side down. Get it snapped into that holder all the way, and then we can snap the two halves of the remote back together. Put our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.